Hi, Maggie and Kay here, Cool Cats Craft. Just a little walkthrough of the Victorian Whisker album, this time using the bloom paper, which is what the little tutorial is also showing you how to make. So this time it's closed with ribbons, glossy accents on the ends as I normally do, and then I'm just going to walk you through. It's very simple, just flicking through. You can see all the decorative edges from the whiskers.
Move it just a tad towards you. That's it, perfect.
Okay. So you can see the decorative edges there. Use one of our photo slots here. Little tuck in there. It's really just using little bits and pieces. You're using no architape. You're using just your cardstock for your spine, and that's all shown how to do that in the video tutorial. That's it there. That's it there. And that's it. A very simple little album. Just close those pages. There we go. You can see the spine at the back there. It's alright, Kay's just having a wobbly moment now. Okay.
Right, do you want to show us the spine again?
Okay.
So I'm going to have to...
Right, and that's the spine that you can see, and that's purely and simply made from card.
Then finish.